Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord 3 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then tap on Special Features. After that, select Simple Mode, located at the bottom. Click on Enter Simple Mode and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, Easy Mode is on. If you wish to go back to the standard one, click on Settings again. But this time select Exit Simple Mode at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!